In this video, I'm going to discuss how you can legally avoid paying taxes on your crypto gains. This method will work even for big numbers. If it's done right, you won't have to pay a dime in taxes. That's right. So if you follow my system, you will pay 0% tax on all your crypto gains, and that's completely 100% legal. So if you plan to cash out your crypto in 2024 as we enter the bull market, but at the same time you worry that a huge tax bill will follow as soon as you make that crypto to fiat conversion, well, stay tuned so we can break down how you can benefit from all the crypto gains without the headache of taxes in a completely legal way. Before we start, my name is Shiraz Waheed, and I have helped more than 100 entrepreneurs move to Dubai and reduce their taxes legally. So crypto represents one of the largest financial opportunities of this decade. But if you're watching this video, you probably already know that. But I can show you how you can make crypto pay off even more by paying no taxes on your gains. First things first, you may have heard that Dubai and the UAE recently introduced a 9% corporate tax. This has caused a lot of confusion for my clients, especially in the crypto space, asking me that, does this 9% corporate tax applies to me if I am a crypto investor or a crypto trader? Well, here's the thing about the 9% tax rate. It covers businesses specifically. That means it applies to free zone companies and mainland businesses and any form of business income. That's why the big strategy to minimize your crypto tax liability is to determine whether you are an investor or a business. Let's look at some examples. Let's say you are running a large-scale crypto investing operation. This could be bot trading or even personal investment accounts that make high number of daily trades. Whatever the case, this will most likely be seen by the UAE government as a business, making it subject to 9% corporate tax. Now, let's say you are simply investing by buying low, selling high, and holding when necessary. This would not consider a business activity, instead an investing activity, which means you can still take advantage of the 0% tax rate on personal investments. Just know upfront that it's best to stay on the safe side and avoid doing anything that might paint you as a business during your time in Dubai. However, based on the nature of your business, if you do get hit with taxes, maybe it's your business activities or the style of operations that you have, you should by no means try to get away with not paying your crypto taxes. There is a big difference between tax evasion and tax optimization, where the first one is illegal and dangerous, and the second is just about limiting your financial activities to minimizing your tax liabilities. It's not only legal, it's also smart. Now, coming to the solution, you can use what I call the tax freedom blueprint, where you can take advantage of the low tax jurisdictions such as Dubai, where there is no capital gain tax on crypto investing. To do that, you need to first become a UAE resident, relocate to Dubai, and then go back to your high tax country and declare yourself a non-tax resident. This way, your home country will no longer be able to put tax on you, and once you cash out your crypto in Dubai, that will be legally tax-free. Now, for you to become a UAE resident, there are two main paths to gain residency. The first is to invest in real estate, and the second is to set up a company. In most cases, the second option will cost much less, where you will be able to use your business to hire yourself as a manager, and this will give you access to a 2-year long-term visa that is easily renewable. You'll also get your Emirates ID card, which you can then use to create your crypto accounts and start operating locally. Just keep in mind that you can't just kind of move to Dubai. If you got the UAE ID but spend most of your time back in your home country, let's say in the UK or Canada or Australia, all your crypto gains in Dubai will automatically be liable for taxes in that home country. To take advantage of the tax freedom blueprint, you need to break what is called primary and secondary ties to your home country. This means losing your primary place of residence as well as moving your immediate family, that includes your spouse and children, with you to Dubai, as well as eliminating your maximum secondary ties like banking, business, and social activities, and also ensuring a minimum possible stay in that country. For crypto traders who are involved in trading activities that could be classified as business, you don't need to give up on your hope of moving to Dubai. However, you do want to separate your investment and trading activities so that each of them is enjoying the lowest tax rate possible in their respective categories. Again, provided that your engagement with cryptocurrency is purely as an investor, you can still take advantage of the 0% tax rate. It doesn't matter if your investment is large or small. What matters is that you are buying with the intention to hold or sell after a price increase. These are the things that crypto investors do. While on the other hand, crypto businesses make dozens or hundreds of trades per day, handle the accounts on behalf of third parties, and operate crypto mining softwares. But moving out of your high-tech system isn't as easy as taking a flight and coming to Dubai. You need experts on both sides to help you successfully and safely complete this transition. So if you want me and my tax team to help you implement this entire strategy, you can book a one-on-one call with me at setuphero.com/call to get a customized strategy for your case. And if you're not ready to do that just yet, please check out this video to see my response to people who say that Dubai is dead. And I will see you on the next video.